The Icelandic businesses and individuals that we've met on our study tour show great pride and passion in their fields to fork ethos.
Dwi wedi gweld yn reit diddorol bod Wlad yn cael rhai o'r un problemau ni, megis y tywydd, a bod y cyhoedd ddim yn deall lle mae'r bwyd yn dod o, ond bod nhw'n datblygu busnesau i mynd o'r ffarm i'r bwrdd i cynallu bwyd o safon uchel a marchnata yn dda i'r cyhoedd.
One of the big thoughts that come across is that the farmers here are not necessarily looking to get bigger and bigger and bigger. They just want a good standard of living and to educate people.
Yn hytrach na cymharu, beth eisiau gwneud yw edrych ar beth cyn i ddysgu o'r ffyrdd maen nhw'n ffermio, a hefyd rhwystredigaethau sy'n gael nhw yn eu diwydiant, ond hefyd beth sy'n gael nhw sydd ddim i gael gyda ni.
Dwi'n meddwl beth sy'n gwneud yr argraff gorau arna i yn Wlad ydy sut mae ffermwyr, bobl y trydydd a bobl y Wlad yn ffordd maen nhw'n supportio'r diwydiant cyd-boen.
What I've taken most so far from my trip to Agri Academy Iceland tour is in relation to the dairy industry as it's most relevant to me. I find what their cost of production is and what they are returning back from the milk buyer and the subsidies they return from the government and the relationships that they have with the government in able to achieve them to do this.
Dwi wedi mwynhau cyfarfod gyda ffermwyr yn Wlad a gweld syniadau newydd a sgwannol gyn y ffarmwrs a pobl sy'n taith.
Un o'r pethau mwyaf dwi wedi cymryd o'r daith yma yn Wlad ydy'r lefelau isel o afiechydon. Dwi'n edmygu polisïau llyn nhw efo symud anifeiliaid, gwertheg defaid a ceffylau.
One thing I've realised here in Iceland is that they focus much more on quality rather than quantity. The farms are smaller and look to produce a much better product to sell to the end consumer.
I've experienced the challenging weather conditions, which similar to the extreme weather patterns we've experienced in Wales recently. Despite this, they've managed to maintain a quality product.
Yr argraff dwi wedi gael ar y munud ydy ddim gwastraff, defnyddio bob darn o'r cig yn cynnwys y pen. Gymharu â ni sydd, da ni'n diwylliant sy'n gwastraffu dipyn mwy.
So a thought from this morning, we've been talking with Solvi. He's the son of the place that we're staying, and he was talking about food security in Iceland and how he's trying to connect people from the country with the people in the town, and maybe making them realise that we do a lot more work than just farming, and that the countryside is important to the people in the town.